Now continuation, I will be solving number 10. This you will see in test paper, in Madhyamik also this comes. Now what will you do? We will take the LCM. It is becoming x square and x plus 1 whole square. And right side 25 by 12, or a plus b whole square form. So a square plus 2ab means 2 into x into 1 means 2x plus 1, and denominator also multiply 25 by 12. Now here 2x square. One thing students, one thing keep it in mind that here also you will not give equal sign. Sorry, as you are solving quadratic equation, any equation, since there is equal sign, so here you will write or. Clear? So here we will write or. Then cross multiply. "25 is bigger than 12, so first I am writing this. 25x square plus 25x equals to 24x square plus 24x plus 12. Then next step, as usual, bring everything in left hand side. So it is becoming 25x square plus 25x minus 24x square minus 24x minus 12 equals to 0. Now 25x square minus 24x square. So it is coming x square. "25 minus 24 minus 12. Now middle term factor. Clear? 12. So from 12 you have to bring 1. So factors may be 6 2s are 12, or 4 3s are 12, or 12 into 1 12. But what I will take, as we have to bring plus 1, so we will take plus 4 minus 3. Clear? Then we will take common. Minus 3 so either x plus 4 equal to 0, therefore x equals to minus 4, or x minus 2 equals to 0, therefore x equal to 3. So your solutions are minus 4 and 3. Don't end here. Here you have to write down the answer separately. X equals to minus 4, 3. You will write down are the solution. Here you will write. Then next. Next type. Yes, 11. Sum number 11. Ax plus b by a plus bx equals to cx plus d by c plus dx. Now simply first we will cross multiply x plus b into c plus dx and that cx plus d into a plus dx. Now multiply carefully. acx plus adx square plus bc plus bdx and that side acx plus ad plus bc x square plus bdx. Now you see if any term will be cancelled out or not. Yes, acx from here both are same sign, so when you will bring left hand side it will become negative, so you can cancel. Okay, then what we are getting? We are getting ad x square plus bc minus ad minus bc x square equal to 0. Okay. Now there are two terms related to x square. So from there we have to see if anything we can take common or not. This is adx square, this is minus bc x square. So if we take x square common, then what we are getting? ad minus bc. Clear? Into x square. So from here also we will make, here you see bc and ad is there. So what will you do? ad minus bc we have to take. So what we will do? Minus 1 will take common. So then it will become ad minus bc. Clear? Equal to 0. Or ad minus bc common, ad minus bc into x square minus 1 equal to 0. Then ad and bc both are constant, so this term not equals to 0. ad minus bc not equals to 0. So what we can write? X square minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore x square equals to 1, x equals to square root of 1. As it is a quadratic equations, two roots will come. So square root when you are giving plus minus. So your answer, one is plus 1, another is minus 1. Clear? One answer is plus 1, another is minus 1. The next type, yes, about 13 I have to say something. X plus 1 by 2 plus 2 by x plus 1 equals to x plus 1 by 3 plus 3 by x plus 1 minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. Here you see, directly we can do. This term will take LCM, that side also will take LCM, but it will take, I think it will take more time. So what will you do? See, same type, x plus 1 in numerator will bring left hand side, and denominator here x plus 1, there also x plus 1. So we take right hand side, it will be easier for calculation, it will take less time. Yeah. Then 3 by x plus 1 minus 2 by x plus 1 minus 5 by 6. Now what is the LCM? 6. So here 3x plus 3 minus 2x minus 2. And that side what is the LCM? 6 is there and x plus 1 is also there. Clear? You will keep it in mind. So 6 into x plus 1. So 6, 18 minus 12 minus 5 into x plus 1. Clear? Minus 5 into x plus 1. Then 3x minus 2x, x plus 3 minus 2, 18 minus 12, 6 minus 5x minus 5 by 6 into x plus 1. Now these 6 you can cancel from both sides. Clear? So what we are getting? Then again cross multiply. X plus 1 whole square we are getting. Then cross multiply. X plus 1 whole square equals to 6 minus 5 means 1 minus 5x. So x square plus 2x plus 1. I am taking left hand side. Plus 7x equals to 0. From here x we can take common. Again product of two factors 0. Either x equals to 0 or x plus 7 equals to 0. That means x equals to minus 7. So what are the solutions? Solutions are x equals to 0 and minus 7. Clear? X 0 and minus 7 are the solution. Again next type I am showing you in next video.